Hello everybody and welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you on this Mazda 3 2009. It has a parasitic draw in one of the room components inside the car, and I'm trying to locate the draw where it's coming from. So all I'm doing is removing the light bulbs. As you guys can see, I removed all these light bulbs and radio just to find the draw, the amperage draw where it's coming from. One place that I had an issue was getting access to this Glovebox compartment light bulb. I have to remove it, and I didn't find anywhere on the internet where it is for this car. So what I see here, this is like a glass. I think it's gonna be here, the light bulb. So to take this off, you have to remove this bolt right there. I just removed it with my screwdriver, and then once you remove that bolt, the thing should come off. Also, there's these tabs here that, you can also remove these ones here. See, it comes off really easily. Okay. Kind of hard to remove it with only one hand, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so now I should be able to remove this. I don't see any other screws, maybe that one. There's another one over there. Remove that. And I think that's gonna be everything. Let's remove this now. Alright guys, so as you can see, that's where the light bulb for the Glovebox goes. Let's see, I'm trying to find this amperage draw. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. So I think it's gone. So I have my my ammeter over there, so I have to turn it on and see if there's any draw on this. So I removed this bolt and nothing changed on the amperage draw. It's still 0.19. I have that much draw on one of the circuits, but I'll find it eventually. Anyways guys, if you like this video and you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.